What are the steps involved in transferring Xbox games to a PC?
Hello, everyone. Today, we'll be discussing how to transfer Xbox games to a PC. Whether you're switching platforms or just want to enjoy your favorite games on a different device, this guide is for you.
What do you need?
Before we start, let's make sure we have everything we need. 1. An Xbox console. It could be any model, as long as it's connected to your Xbox account. 2. A Windows 10 PC. This PC should have the Xbox app installed. 3. Xbox games. These should be either digitally purchased or Xbox Play Anywhere titles. 4. A stable internet connection. The transfer relies on your network, so make sure it's reliable.
Are your games eligible?
Not all games can be transferred from your Xbox console to your PC. Only Xbox Play Anywhere titles can be played on both platforms with a single purchase. To find out if your game is an Xbox Play Anywhere title, check the game's details in the Microsoft Store or on the Xbox website.
How to transfer Xbox games to PC?
Now that we're all set, let's start with the process. 1. Launch the Xbox app on your Windows 10 PC. You can find it in the Start menu or by searching for it. 2. Sign in to your Xbox account. Use the same account you use on your Xbox console. 3. Go to My Library. You can find this option on the left side of the screen. 4. Download your games. Here, you should see a list of all the games associated with your Xbox account. Click on the game you want to transfer and select Install. Remember, this does not technically transfer the game data from your Xbox console, but rather allows you to download and play your games on your PC. That's all there is to it. Now you should be able to enjoy your favorite Xbox games right on your PC. We hope you found this guide helpful, and remember to keep having fun with your games, regardless of the platform. Until next time, happy gaming!